Australia has made it a top priority to keep its army vehicles ready and improve them over time. In the 2026 Defense Industry Development Strategy, the government says Australia must be able to repair, upgrade, and maintain its own military vehicles. This is important because it helps the Army stay ready during times of tension, crisis, or war without depending on overseas suppliers. The plan focuses on key Army vehicles such as the Boxer, Bushmaster, Hawkei, AS9 Huntsman, and Redback. These vehicles are designed to support Australia's defense, especially in coastal areas and across the Indo-Pacific. By building and maintaining them in Australia, the country can keep its army operating even if global supply chains are disrupted. Australia's geography shapes this plan. The army is preparing to operate across northern Australia, nearby islands and coastal regions. Instead of fighting large tank battles, soldiers may need to protect ports, airfields, narrow waterways, supply hubs, and coastal positions. To do this, the Army needs vehicles that can move troops safely, gather information, provide fire support, and work closely with the Navy and Air Force. The Boxer Combat Reconnaissance Vehicle plays a major role in these missions. Rheinmetall Defence Australia is building and supporting 211 Boxer vehicles for the Australian Army. The Boxer is designed to work in many environments, from coastlines to busy cities. It carries a 30mm automatic cannon, machine guns, and anti-tank weapons. The main gun can accurately hit targets up to 3,000 meters away, while its anti-tank weapons can reach up to 5,500 meters. Advanced targeting systems also allow the vehicle to fire accurately while moving. Australia is also building more than 100 Boxer heavy weapon carrier vehicles for Germany. These vehicles are being made at Rheinmetall's factory in Redback, Queensland. The project is worth more than $1 billion to the Australian economy and supports about 600 jobs. Although the vehicles are for Germany, the work helps Australia by keeping skilled workers and suppliers active. This means Australia will be better prepared when it needs to build or repair its own vehicles. The Redback Infantry Fighting Vehicle gives Australian soldiers better protection and stronger firepower than the older M113 armoured personnel carriers. Hanwha Defence Australia is building 129 Redback vehicles in Australia as part of a project worth about $7 billion. Each Redback carries a powerful 30mm Bushmaster II cannon and anti-tank missiles. This allows soldiers to fight enemy troops, light armored vehicles, bunkers, drones, and heavier targets while staying protected inside the vehicle. The AS9 Huntsman self-propelled howitzer provides mobile artillery support. Hanwha Defence Australia is delivering 30 AS9 howitzers and 15 AS10 ammunition resupply vehicles. The AS9 uses a 155mm gun that can fire 3 rounds in just 15 seconds and continue firing 6 to 8 rounds each minute. Because it can quickly move after shooting, it helps protect artillery crews from enemy attacks while continuing to support troops in coastal and island operations. The Bushmaster and Hawkei provide protected transport for soldiers. The Bushmaster can carry up to 10 fully equipped troops and is built to survive blasts from mines and roadside bombs. The Hawkei is a smaller protected vehicle used for command teams, reconnaissance units, communication crews, and anti-tank teams. These vehicles help soldiers move safely through dangerous areas while protecting them from explosions and small arms fire. Navigation systems are another important part of Australia's defence plan. In December 2024, Advanced Navigation announced it would supply more fiber-optic gyroscope navigation systems for Boxer vehicles built in Australia. These systems help vehicles know their position even when GPS signals are blocked or jammed. Reliable navigation is essential for planning routes, directing artillery fire, rescuing wounded soldiers, and coordinating with ships and aircraft. Australia is investing heavily in its defence industry because strong manufacturing supports military readiness. The defence industry added $12.05 billion to the Australian economy in 2024-25, an increase of 18.1% since 2021-22. Defense manufacturing grew by 34.9% during the same period. Australia also spent $22.5 billion on defense equipment and maintenance in 2024-25, including $9.2 billion for new equipment and $13.3 billion for maintaining existing systems. Overall, Australia's goal is clear. By building, repairing, and upgrading military vehicles at home, the country can keep its army ready for future challenges. A strong local defense industry gives Australia the ability to maintain its vehicles, support skilled workers, and respond more quickly if conflict occurs in the Indo-Pacific.